Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of orcas, also known as killer whales. These magnificent creatures have captivated human imagination for centuries, and for good reason. As apex predators, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our oceans. To start, let's define what orcas are. Simply put, orcas are a type of toothed whale that belongs to the oceanic dolphin family. They're known for their distinctive black and white coloring, sleek bodies, and powerful tails. But what makes them truly significant is their position at the top of the marine food chain. The evolutionary history of orcas dates back to around 5 million years ago, during the Pliocene epoch. Since then, they've evolved into one of the most successful and widespread predators on the planet. The first scientific documentation of orcas can be attributed to the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle himself, who described them as Delphinus orca in his work Historia Animalium. From a scientific perspective, orcas are classified as Orcinus orca, with several distinct populations and subspecies found across the globe. They inhabit all the world's oceans, from the Arctic to the Antarctic, and can be found in both coastal and offshore waters. One of the key researchers who contributed significantly to our understanding of orcas is Dr. Ken Balcom, a renowned marine biologist who has spent decades studying these animals in their natural habitat. Recent research has shed light on some fascinating aspects of orca behavior and ecology. For example, studies have shown that different populations of orcas have distinct dialects, similar to human languages, which they use to communicate with each other. This complex social behavior is a hallmark of intelligent species like humans and primates, and it's a key aspect of what makes orcas so unique. In terms of their ecological relationships, orcas play a vital role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. As apex predators, they prey on a wide range of species, from fish and squid to seals and other whales. This has a cascading effect throughout the food chain, with impacts on everything from kelp forests to coastal ecosystems. For instance, in the Pacific Northwest, orcas help to regulate the population of sea otters, which in turn prevents overgrazing of kelp forests by sea urchins. However, orcas are facing numerous threats in the wild, including habitat degradation, pollution, and climate change. Many populations are vulnerable to overhunting, entanglement in fishing gear, and noise pollution from human activities like shipping and sonar testing. As a result, several orca populations are currently listed as endangered or vulnerable on the UN Red List. One of the most pressing concerns is the impact of toxic pollutants on orca populations. Research has shown that these chemicals can accumulate in their bodies and affect their reproductive health, immune function, and even their brain development. For example, a study published in 2020 found that orcas in the Pacific Northwest have some of the highest levels of PCBs and DDT ever recorded in any animal. Despite these challenges, there's still much we can learn from orcas. Their social complexity and intelligence remind us of the importance of preserving biodiversity and protecting ecosystems from human impact. By studying orcas, we can gain valuable insights into the intricate web of relationships within marine ecosystems and the delicate balance that sustains them. As we conclude our journey into the world of orcas today, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking question. What would happen if we were to lose these apex predators from our oceans? The answer, much like the orcas themselves, is complex and multifaceted. But one thing is certain: the loss of orcas would have far-reaching consequences for marine ecosystems worldwide, highlighting the need for continued conservation efforts and responsible stewardship of our planet's precious natural resources. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.